Hey guys, I want to do a video on how you can change your Mitutoyo Absolute digimatic Vernier Caliper. One is fully digital, but I want to replace the battery because you cannot switch it on. So we have a couple of screws here. This one is a very small screw, and it has another one back here. So don't remove any of those. I tried it beforehand before I do this video. So actually just need to remove this one. So when you slide it, this is where the battery will be sitting. So basically this is the battery. Not sure if you can see it. A76 energizer. So I just got mine. This one's cheap. It's under $1 or maybe like 4 ringgit. It's 1.5 volt A76 LR44. So you might want to check out if you're looking for a battery to replace your Mitutoyo Absolute, the digimatic Vernier Caliper. So basically that's it. Don't try to remove any of the screw. Actually, I tried it before. I removed all the screw and I didn't know why I cannot uh, dismantle the battery, because if you, let's say you uh, screw out this battery, and you can see the battery will sit at the back of this area, but you cannot remove it. Actually, you just need to remove this part here. So then once you put it in, you can see that it's already appear the numbering on this Vernier Caliper. So then off and 0. So then you have it inch, origin, and also this one. So basically this is a simple digital caliper from Mitutoyo. I think this is one of the most used in various industry. So there you have it. Maybe you can learn one or two things from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and see you guys in the next one. So that's it. Off, on, and then you set to 0 mm. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.